Imagine the universe as a mind-boggling puzzle that mirrors your thoughts. Picture your life as a captivating show where every thought and feeling is a star vying for the spotlight. Like planets orbiting the sun, your attention fuels these stars, making them shine brighter or fade into the background. Often, we don't even realize how we're directing this cosmic show. In the grand theater of life, you're the director. Not every scene has to impact you. You have the power to choose what grabs your attention. Sound unusual? Ignore certain thoughts, and they'll stop influencing your inner world. In the law of attraction, your thoughts are like actors auditioning for a role. It's up to you to give them the lead or cut them from the script. Direct your energy positively and watch how the universe responds in kind. But for the universe to listen, we must learn to speak and connect with it. Focus on connecting with the universe. Firstly, the key to connecting with the universe is all about where you put your focus. From the moment you're born, the universe is like a friend asking, "What do you want?" To talk with the universe, you need to get the language of energy it uses. The universe doesn't understand our spoken languages. It feels your energy vibes. Every reaction you have is like telling the universe, "Yes, I want more of this." Getting this is like learning how to pick and choose carefully, like a conductor leading a big orchestra. We have to decide which thoughts and feelings to make louder with our attention. When we focus on something specific, it's like voting for more of it. On the flip side, not paying attention to certain things tells the universe we're not interested. This shows us how much power we have in creating our own lives. Our attention is the way we tell the universe what we want, shaping the music of our lives. Imagine your life as a grand stage where every thought and emotion has the potential to play a starring role. The universe is always curious, like an eager audience, constantly asking, "What's your story?" To effectively narrate your life's script to the universe, it's vital to understand the subtle language of energy it understands. The universe is like an astute observer, not decoding spoken words, but tuning into the frequencies of your vibrational responses. Every response you emit, be it joy, frustration, love, or fear, is interpreted by the universe as an enthusiastic request for more of the same. Grasping this concept is akin to becoming an adept selector, much like a maestro, carefully choosing the notes that will shape a magnificent symphony. In this cosmic concert, our attention is the spotlight, illuminating the performers, our thoughts and emotions. We wish to take center stage. By focusing our mental and emotional spotlight on certain aspects of our lives, we are effectively casting a vote, endorsing more of these experiences. This is a powerful act of selection, akin to an artist choosing colors for a canvas, creating a masterpiece of our lived experience. Conversely, turning our attention away from certain thoughts or events sends a clear signal to the universe. These are not the elements we wish to feature in our life's narrative. This realization is empowering, revealing our role as co-creators in the grand performance of life. Our focused attention is the instrument through which we express our desires and preferences to the universe, orchestrating the unique symphony of our existence. The power of the present moment. To speak with the universe effectively, focus on thinking and speaking in the present tense. The universe, with all its vast knowledge, only recognizes what's happening right now. While we often think about the past or the future, these thoughts are like echoes. The present moment is where the universe pays attention. When we think, it's like we're having a conversation with the universe. But the universe understands our thoughts and feelings differently. This boundless entity perceives only the present as the canvas of reality. Though we often drift into memories of the past or dreams of the future, these are mere shadows compared to the vibrant reality of the now. Our thoughts are powerful messengers of the universe, yet their interpretation hinges on our perception of time. The universe, a grand mirror of consciousness, reflects not just thoughts, but the essence of those thoughts. Consider this analogy. Telling the universe, "I will be happy," is like saying, "I am not happy at this moment." Instead, immerse yourself in believing that you already embody the joy you seek. The joy, every dream, every aspiration you hold already pulsates in the universe's vast spectrum of realities. Embrace the feeling of accomplishment now and watch as the universe aligns your reality with these resonant frequencies. This approach requires not just voicing our desires, but living them in the present, fully embodying the essence of our aspirations. Adding another dimension, it's important to understand that our interaction with the universe is a dynamic dance of energy. The universe is perpetually in motion, responding to the rhythms of our thoughts and emotions. By aligning ourselves with the present moment, we tune into a powerful frequency where our desires don't just echo as wishes, but resonate as realities. This alignment requires a shift in our mindset, a transformation where we not only hope for a desired future, but live and breathe it in the here and now. It's about creating a vibrant tapestry of the present, woven with the threads of our deepest intentions. In this dance with the universe, we become co-creators, shaping our journey not as distant dreamers, but as present participants, fully engaged in the art of manifesting our deepest desires. Through this alignment, we unlock the full potential of our connection with the universe, turning our aspirations into tangible experiences in the ever-unfolding now. Consciousness expansion. The journey of expanding your consciousness is like unlocking new levels in an intricate game of existence. In this game, life doesn't follow a simple, straight path. Instead, it's a vibrant, interactive experience filled with countless possibilities and hidden rules. Your mastery of this game is defined by how deeply you understand its various aspects. Picture yourself at a high-stakes poker table. Beginners might struggle against experienced players who have mastered the art of strategy and bluffing. Similarly, as you expand your consciousness, you start to see the vast array of elements in the universe. This understanding equips you to navigate the twists and turns of life with more ease. It's like learning the secret tactics of the game, which empowers you to make choices that lead you to success and fulfillment. This process of expanding your consciousness involves widening your perception, being more in tune with your inner world, recognizing your thought patterns, and understanding the universe's endless complexities. In this grand game of life, each new insight you gain adds to your ability to play wisely and strategically. By embracing this broader perspective, you transform from a mere observer to a masterful player, crafting your path with intent and precision. The expansion of consciousness is not just an increase in knowledge, but a profound shift in perspective. It's like putting on a new pair of glasses that bring the world into sharper focus. Suddenly, the patterns and connections that were once hidden become clear. You start to see the bigger picture and understand how your thoughts, feelings, and actions are interconnected with the greater tapestry of the universe. This expanded view allows you to see beyond the surface to the deeper truths that guide the flow of life. As you continue to grow in awareness, you find that you're not just reacting to life, but actively shaping it. You become a conscious co-creator, aligning your inner vision with the universe's vast potential. This profound understanding opens up a world of possibilities, enabling you to navigate life's journey with wisdom, clarity, and purpose. In this enhanced state of consciousness, you're not just playing the game of life, you're redefining it, creating a reality that resonates with your deepest aspirations and dreams. Trusting your inner guidance for universe alignment. Our fourth step in understanding the universe involves tuning into your guidance system, kind of like using a compass in a world of energy. The universe speaks in energy, not in our languages. Often, our thoughts and words don't match what we're truly feeling inside. It's your emotions, your gut feelings, and those intuitive nudges that are your real guides. When something feels right, it's usually in line with your true path. But if it feels wrong, it's probably not meant for you. The universe communicates in a dialect of vibrations and feelings, far removed from the confines of human language. Our thoughts and spoken words often fall short of capturing the essence of our inner truth. In contrast, our emotions, gut instincts, and those spontaneous intuitive flashes act as reliable guides. When an experience resonates with joy and fulfillment, it is a clear sign that we are treading on the path meant for us. Conversely, feelings of discomfort or unease signal a deviation from our authentic selves. This intuitive process relies heavily on resonance, gravitating towards what feels inherently right and steering clear of what doesn't. The art of listening to this guidance system is nuanced. It involves distinguishing the fleeting pleasures proposed by our ego from the profound sense of rightness that comes from deep within. Our ego might present tantalizing promises of happiness, yet they are often illusions masking true contentment. True resonance is felt in moments of peace and clarity, an inner affirmation that something is intrinsically right for us. If it brings joy and ease, it's a green light. If it evokes discomfort or doubt, it's a signal to let go. By consistently following this inner trail of positive feelings, we effortlessly align with our genuine path. This approach minimizes overthinking and maximizes living in harmony with our true nature. It's a dance of intuition and trust, where each step taken in resonance brings us closer to our ultimate destination, a life aligned with our deepest truths and highest aspirations. Reprogramming the subconscious through repetition. Our fifth and final step in understanding the universe involves the power of repetition to shape our subconscious mind, which is like a mirror of the universe's ways. The law of attraction is deeply rooted in the subconscious, far more than the ever-changing thoughts of our conscious mind. Unlike the latter, the subconscious mind is a non-discriminatory vessel, accepting and affirming every input. It blurs the line between reality and imagination, responding to our mental narratives as if they were tangible experiences. To harness this power, it's crucial to anchor ourselves in the present, steering clear of the shadows of past traumas. Our subconscious is an extensive archive, cataloging every bit of attention we give, encompassing both our life experiences and the broader social conditioning we undergo. It's a blank slate that doesn't filter harmful thoughts. That's a task for our conscious vigilance. Using repetition as a tool, we can consciously sculpt the beliefs rooted in our subconscious. Imagine wanting to shift from self-doubt to self-assurance. By consistently affirming a potent statement like, "I am the most confident person in the world," and infusing it with genuine belief and emotion, you initiate a profound transformation. This practice transcends mere repetition of words. It's about embodying the essence of the affirmation. The current state of affairs is irrelevant. The focal point is the future self you yearn to manifest. Persistent reinforcement of these affirmations gradually creates an energetic resonance. Eventually, the subconscious recognizes this paradigm shift, beginning to manifest these affirmations into your reality. As this belief in self-confidence solidifies, it naturally starts to reflect in your demeanor, actions, and speech. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration into the universe's mysteries, it's vital to embrace a profound realization. You are an integral part of the universe, and communicating with it means connecting with the deepest part of yourself. You are the architect of your destiny, holding the power to shape your journey. It's crucial to invest in your inner well-being, to cleanse and elevate your spirit. The universe acts as a reflection of your inner world. By taking control and aligning your thoughts and feelings with positivity, you create a powerful dialogue with the universe. Your life is a canvas of endless possibilities, and you are the skilled artist painting the picture of your desired reality. Every choice you make, every belief you hold, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. By consciously choosing thoughts and actions that resonate with your highest self, you orchestrate a masterpiece of experience, harmoniously intertwined with the universe's grand design.